Hello student, today I am going to explain rational and irrational number because during this school time you have told by the video class it was not clear, so I am explaining it. So 1.1 I have taught in the class, 1.2 you will see here. Here first, second, third, fourth are the same type of question. So question number second you will see. Prove that root 7 is a irrational number. जब ऐसा कुछ भी आता है कि prove that if any number is given in the sort that is the irrational number, that time you suppose it is the rational. Let root 7 is a rational number. So under root 7 equal to p by q does not equal to 0 because any rational number we can write in the form of p by q and pq belongs to the integer. To imply that p equal to root 7 q implies that p square equal to 7q square. Implies that this number, ये नंबर किससे डिविजिबल है या किसका मल्टीपल है या इसका फैक्टर क्या है, तीनों सेंस एक ही है, कुछ भी लिखो. तो 7q square is divisible by 7, divisible by 7 implies that this side number is also divisible by 7. If any number that is square is divisible by any number, the square of p square is divisible by 7, it means p is also divisible by 7. P is divisible by 7. Implies that p equal to 7. Let p equal to 7. We will put here, substitute in equation 1. इसको पुट करेंगे on the place of p. What do you write? 7m. So that will be on place of this we write the 7m square 49m square is equal to 7q square. Implies that 7m square equal to q square. Implies that 7m square is divisible by 7. Implies that q square is divisible by 7. Implies that q is divisible by 7. क्लियर? देखो सोचो यहां से, यहां ये भी लिख सकते थे 7 is factor of the 7q square, 7 is factor of the p square, 7 is factor of the p, the p equal to 7m. This you write on this place, we can write 7 is factor of 7m square, 7 is factor of q square or 7 is factor of the m. Anyway you can write. So what you got? P and q both are divisible by 7. It means 7 is a common factor of p and q. Implies that 7 is a common factor of p and q, which is contradict. Implies that which is contradict. Clear? Since P and Q has no common factor other than 1. Since P and Q has no common factor other than 1. 1 के अलावा कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं इसमें होता है. क्लियर? सो √7 is √7 is an irrational number. This is clear? √7 is an irrational number. समझ में आ गया? मतलब जो आप what was our hypothesis, जो हमारी hypothesis थी, assumption था, सोच है, उसका उल्टा हो गया, contradict. इसलिए ये रेशनल नहीं है, ये इरेशनल. I suppose it is clear. So in this way you will write in the examination also. अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4th, 5th, 7th are the same type of the questions. Okay, तो 6 को बताते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, प्रूव दैट √3. तो प्रूव दैट √3 उसी तरह से करेंगे. लेट √3 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. √3 equal to P by Q. Correct? Implies that squaring on both sides, P square by Q square. Implies that P square equal to 3Q square. Implies that 3 is a factor of 3Q square. देखो यहाँ ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 3Q is divisible by 3, 3 divides 3Q square. तो आज हमने यहाँ फैक्टर लिखा, वहाँ डिविजिबल लिख दिया, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Divisible, factor, multiple. Implies that 3 is a factor of P square. भाई इधर का फैक्टर होगा तो इस नंबर का भी फैक्टर होगा. Implies that 3 is a factor of P. Let P equal to 3m. M belongs to integer. Is this clear? Substitute value of P in equation first. What you will get? 9m square equal to 3Q square. 3m square equal to Q square. Implies that 3 is factor of 3m square. Implies that 3 is factor of Q square. Implies that 3 is a factor of Q. Correct? So in the last we write implies that 3 is, अब यहाँ की बात जो है इस स्टेप के बाद इसको लिखिए. 3 is a common factor of 3 is a common factor of P and Q, which is contradict since P and Q has no common factor other than 1. You write यहाँ पे लिख लेना. So √3 is an irrational number. जो मैंने बोला क्या बोला है? since p and q has no common factor other than 1. लिख लेना तुम्हें. This is completed. Okay. Now how can you do the next part? You have proved. To question number 6, let two by 5 root 3 equal to r, or r is a rational number. हमने सपोज कर लिया. लेट, तो व्हाट यू राइट? 2 root 3 equal to 5r, and root 3, then we can write 5r by 2, 5 by 2r equal to root 3. Or rational, or these are the rational. Rational into rational equal to rational. Clear? Rational number into rational number, number equal to rational number. Correct? So 5 by 2 into r is a rational. Since r is a rational, we have supposed r is a rational. So rational into rational is rational number. So imply that root 3 is a rational. क्योंकि 5 by 2 root r equal to root 3, ये रेशनल है तो ये भी रेशनल होगा, which is contradict. Because root 3 is an irrational number. Correct? Clear? So 2 by root 5, 2 by 5 root 3 is an irrational number. In this way, you can prove this type of the questions. Clear? Okay. क्या होता है? रेशनल इंटू रेशनल, रेशनल, रेशनल डिवाइडेड बाय रेशनल, रेशनल, रेशनल प्लस माइनस रेशनल इक्वल टू रेशनल. दिस इज ऑपरेशन. ठीक है, इसीलिए आर रेशनल है, 5 by 2 रेशनल है, तो रिजल्ट क्या होगा? रेशनल होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. इस फर्स्ट पार्ट यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ. हाउ आई हैव एक्सप्लेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 फर्स्ट पार्ट. Root 3 I have proved. The same way you will prove root 5 is a irrational number. Second part of this. Let r equal to minus 3 plus 2 root 5. Let r is a rational number. Good. तो r plus 3 equal to 2 root 5. Correct? और this is the rational plus rational, rational. r plus 3 upon 2 equal to root 5. r plus 3 by 2 is a rational number because r is a rational number. ठीक है, r रेशनल है तो r का रेशनल प्लस रेशनल अपॉन 2, तो दिस इज द रेशनल नंबर. Implies that root 5 is a rational number, which is contradict. So, which is contradict? Since root 5 is an irrational number. So, -3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This is clear. In this way you can do. In this way you can do the first part, second part, third part. Now you can see the fourth part. Fourth part. Let r is a rational number or r equal to root 2 plus root 3. ये भी रेशनल हमने सपोज कर लिया. We suppose this is the रेशनल. तो r minus root 2 equal to root 3. Squaring on both sides. r minus root 2 whole square equal to root 3 whole square. तो r square minus 2 root 2 r plus 2 equal to 3. This is clear. तो r square minus 2 root 2 r equal to 1. Clear? Now r square minus 1 equal to 2 root 2 r. Then implies that r square minus 1 upon 2r equal to root 2. r is a rational number implies that r square minus 1 upon r 2r is also रेशनल नंबर. क्योंकि रेशनल नंबर का ऑपरेशन जो होता है रेशनल ही होता है. रेशनल से यहाँ सब कुछ रेशनल, ये भी रेशनल है, ये भी रेशनल है, ये भी रेशनल, सब कुछ. तो दैट विल बी रेशनल नंबर. इज इट क्लियर? Implies that और this is equal to root 2. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Implies that root 2 is a rational number, which is contradict. Which is contradicts. Correct? Which is contradict. Since root 2 is an irrational number. So plus root 3 is an irrational number. Clear? Root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational. In this way, you can prove this type of question. So all type of question I have explained from exercise 1.2. You will try to complete. Next day, I will explain 1.3. What type of here terminating, non-terminating, or it is rational, irrational, all type of questions are given. So we will complete that next day. Okay. So try to complete. You try to be parallel to the class.